One-pot meals are my go-to recipes during busy days, and during Paryushan, I make them more often than usual. Hi guys, this is Ruchi Bharani. Welcome to Rajshri Food, and today I'm going to show you the recipe for one-pot multigrain khichdi with no onion and no garlic. So I'm going to cook this khichdi in a pressure cooker. So let's begin with the tadka. Heat up a pressure cooker. Once the pressure cooker is hot, into this add in 1.5 tablespoons of ghee. Once the ghee is nice and hot, into this I'm going to add in 1 dry red chilli. I'm using a Boriya chilli. You can use any dry chilli of your choice. 1 piece of cinnamon and 2 cloves. Next add in 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Once they start to splutter, add in a teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of Asafoetida or Hing, 1 tablespoon of peanuts. Brown the peanuts slightly. Next add in half a cup of soaked brown chana. I've soaked this in hot water for about 4 to 5 hours. The brown chana takes comparatively more time to cook, so we're going to add water and let them cook for about 3 whistles. Add in 1.5 cups of water. And now 3 whistles on high flame. Three whistles are up, turn off the flame and let the cooker cool down slightly before you open it. The pressure cooker is cooled down and let's open it. And now into this, let's add in the other ingredients. So I have 1/4 cup of moong that I soaked for about 15-20 minutes in hot water. 1/4 cup of tur dal, or you could even take yellow moong dal, soaked in hot water for 15 minutes. Half a cup of rice, washed and soaked for 15 minutes. Let's add in all the dry spices now. Half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander cumin seed powder, half a teaspoon of amchur or raw mango powder, 1 teaspoon red chilli powder, half a teaspoon of saunt or dry ginger powder, salt to taste. Give this a good mix. Add in half a cup of water. Cover and now cook this for another 4 whistles on high flame. Four whistles are up, turn off the flame and let the pressure cooker cool down completely before we open it. The pressure cooker has cooled down completely. Let's open and check on the khichdi. It's cooked completely. Let's remove it in a bowl. Drizzle a little bit of ghee on top just before serving. A healthy, no onion, no garlic khichdi is ready. Do try this during Paryushan or even on your other busy days and let me know how it turned out. And don't forget to like, subscribe and comment Rajshri Food. See you soon. Bye-bye.